You guys aren't afraid, are you? You can get the position, sir. You can get the position. Oh, drive, fucking drive. Yo, and welcome guys to a brand new video. We're uploading every week and this is our 13th video in a row. So happy to have you guys here back. Thank you for tuning in. And we're back here with another iRacing Road to 3K series. And thank you guys first of all for the major support of the last video, because we got a lot of comments and I think it's literally the record so far of the most comments I've ever had in the YouTube video. So thanks a lot for that. I really appreciate the support. And today we're here back on iRacing on the Virginia International Raceway, the North version, if I pronounce it correctly. I love this track. It's technical, it has high differences, it has a lot of overtaking opportunities. The flow is really satisfying, so I just simply love this track. So I'm really excited here to race. We're gonna do 1 or 2 races, I'm not sure yet. It depends a bit on how the race will go. And in the last video, we improved our iRating. We're now around 2.1k iRating, so let's push for 2.2. And we're almost at 4 safety rating. We're now at around 3.7. And I really want to get that 4 safety rating, because then we get promoted to C class and then we can do endurance racing, which I really like. So please let me know if you like it as well. And without further ado, let's just jump straight into the action. Let's skip the talking and I'll see you guys into the qualifying session. Okay guys, the qualifying has started, but I gotta take measures to lock in for that 4 safety rating. Let's do it. Let's go. Now we're ready, guys. Let's cook. Okay, guys, it's gonna be crucial to warm up the tires properly. And as we can see in the lobby, there are people with around the same iRating, so that's great. Because in some previous episodes, we were racing some guys for 3.8k iRating, which was nuts. I think a competitive time around here will be around a 136 low. Maybe if someone's really fast, they will put up a 135 high, but it's quite tough because the top guys are doing a 135 low here. So yeah, in practice I got a 136.1 as best lap time. So let's see if we can do that or even improve. So let's lock in and I'll take you around for a fast lap here. Let's go. I'm overslowing too much in the first corner, losing some time there. That's a bit of a shame. Oh, not ideal. I went a little bit too fast into that corner and then I lost the rear slightly. Cost me a couple of tenths there. Oh, always such a tricky corner. Overslowing too much here. Lost me a lot of time. Still not quick there to the last corner, which is gonna be tough because of course it's gonna be a slipstream fast, this long straight. So a good exit there is crucial. 136.4. Yeah. Oh, P6 guys, that's not ideal so far. There's some really fast guys here because some guys put up a 135. That's really impressive because that's really fast. It is what it is, and the race always brings chaos. So let's just see, let's stay out of trouble. Come on, Max. Come on, give me that luck. A Tinder livery? What? Thought you seen all liveries. Green flag. Let's fight the Tinder livery. No. Oh. Oh. Drive! Fucking drive! Oh, I hate this fucking Mazda class. Alright guys, let's try to save what's left. So you're always so unlucky with these crashes. Oh. Oh. Some people are literally blind. Are you kidding me? Oh, do I have damage? I don't know, the car doesn't turn too properly. Oh, the car brakes so weird. I don't know if we have damage or not. We already catch up to these guys in 2 corners, so that's lovely. Oh! But yeah, now of course we're not going to catch up if I make that stupid mistakes, but I don't know guys, the car feels really off. I don't know what's wrong with it. Oh wait, I accidentally moved my camera, shoot. Everything goes really well on this opening lap. P10! Ah! Sometimes I hate iRacing, and the other day I love iRacing. Okay, one thing is for sure, we definitely have damage because The car feels so weird. What the fuck? The right-handers are okay, but the left-handers, they feel so off. Yeah, I'm over pushing now to keep up and I'm making these mistakes. Come on, Allard, you can do better. Oh. Let's try to overtake him immediately. I barely can, of course. Hey, that's my brother, someone with the Red Bull livery. Let's go. But sorry, brother, I gotta overtake you. It's nothing personal. I hope you understand. I'm sorry. I brake late on purpose to not make him think he could do anything. Whew, okay, that was nice. P9, that's still shit. So let's try to make the best out of it. Yeah, okay, mate. Of course, of course. Oh, such a clean lobby here. What the fuck is going on? This guy is... What is this lobby? I swear, I like these kind of tracks. I enjoy it. I do nothing wrong at the start and someone hits me off and this... Oh, I hate the MX5 class. I want to leave here as soon as possible when I have that C-class safety rating. Oh. And now I just gotta waste my time and finish this race. What is no fun. Oh, let's go. Another position. Or it's the back marker. Then I'm going to cry. Oh shit, I was paying attention. Oh, I'm so dumb. There goes my safety rating. Oh, what a lovely race. Oh wait, it might was someone actually. Wait, let's have a look. Let's have a look. P9? Oh no, we got P9. Hey, let's go guys. At least one thing went wrong, but... Oh man, I literally hate the MX5. It's always happening in this D-class series. And now my safety rating is ruined and I can't make that step towards that stupid C rating. Yeah, I can't even talk. Okay guys, we're back. The Max Verstappen sure didn't give me any luck. But you know guys, as sim racers, for some moments you hate iRacing for these type of moments. But then later you get the love back instantly for the game. So we're here with fresh hopes. What? What? There's someone with 6k iRating here. Matchmaking, hello? And 3.5k, 3.1? I really want to get out of the MX5. I don't like it anymore. But yeah, okay. For now, there was enough talks. Let's lock in. Let's get some really good qualifying laps. And I'll make you guys proud. Let's go. Could have gone a little bit faster through there, but it's okay. And I can lift much less there than I did now. That was okay. Overslowed a little bit too much. Now, the trickiest corner. I overslowed a bit too much, but it's okay. Let's push for more, guys.
Lock in, chat. I need you to lock in. Lock in. Okay. We are cooked.
Losing all the time I gained through there. Oh, alright guys, let's grid. I'm so not excited for this race. But that's still gonna push, guys. Good start, good start. Damn, I heard cars crashing into each other. I was so scared that they were going to hit me. Oh, but we survived. Damn. I'm so scared, that blue car. Oh, I don't want to get taken out again, please. Whoa, cool tires. Whoa, shit. Oh, whoa, what? What is he doing? What? Where are you going? Whoa, he disappeared. Whoa, what? Okay. I won another position, guys, somehow. No clue what happened there. P7. Okay, bad exit there, but I braked a little bit too hard. Oh wow, behind me they're fighting like crazy. Okay, if I'm lucky, I can stay with this group and try to push away from the back marker group, but I still gotta get good lap times in because they're literally so much faster than me. That's crazy. Oh no, the guy with the Red Bull livery is back. No, I swear that's the same guy, that Erico Fernandez. No, the guy that literally took me out. He's back in the Red Bull livery. No. I don't know what's happening here, but okay. Oh damn, okay. You guys aren't afraid, are you? Not again! I'm going to let the Red Bull guy go through. He's crazy. I don't care. You can get the position, sir. You can get the position! Oh my god! Stop taking me out! Oh, and I got 2 off tracks. Oh my god, this game is stressing me out so much. They slowed down a lot and I wasn't prepared for that. Oh, what? Okay, okay. I don't know what happened there, but okay. What did it take? What's happening? He took the other car out. What is going on? Oh, I'm so stressed out from this iRacing MX5 madness. I don't want it anymore. I just want to race and have fun. And now someone is hunting me with 500 more iRating in the same lobby. Okay, let's keep pushing though, guys, because even those really fast guys can make mistakes. I'm P6? What? I didn't even know that. Okay, I'm going to push for my life now to keep this P6. It will be amazing. Oh, I see smoke. Someone might have gone off. That's better. Whoa! Oh my. We have a big problem. The guy behind me is much faster and the guy behind him just had the fastest lap of the race. I'm going to get cooked. Hey yo. And I don't want to defend this too hard. I see you. But I'm not going to let you through that easily, mate. You might have more iRating. But let's try to pull away from the guys behind, man. And let's try to not get more off tracks, please. Oh, that was clean. Nice. Okay, now they're going to be right up my ass because I'm stuck through this corner. Ah! Oh, I'm so scared, guys. They're going with 2 faster cars behind me. I'm so cooked. Yeah. Oh, always so nice to have clean races through here. Even at higher iRating, there's no clean overtakes. It's crazy. Oh. Oh yes, please, please, please let me overtake. I need it so much. But I think he'll get just enough speed. Oh, please let me through as well. Please. Oh, it's the Red Bull guy. It's the idiot. It's the kamikaze. I actually prefer not to overtake him because this guy is just so crazy. Okay, mate, please pull away. I don't want to fight you. Oh, please, white flag. Yes, okay, guys. Oh, now we just gotta give our best to keep this P7. I will be so happy with that. Let's give it our all and let's try to not outbreak ourselves again. No, we're good this time. Okay guys, now no mistakes, no off tracks, then I think we can improve our safety rating as well. And still someone can crash or we maybe even get a P6, but I don't really think so. Brake here. Oh yeah, okay, yeah, I guess I learned how to do this corner now slightly. Oh, my heart. Man, I hope I can escape the streets, the slums of these MX5 in D-Class ASAP. Because it literally gives me a heart attack every YouTube episode here. I think if you check all episodes, I dare that in 80% there was a crazy moment like this. It's actually insane that we got a P7 here, but I'll take it, I guess. Let's look into the results. Let's go. We're here into the results, so let's look at the damage, because I don't think it's going to be well, and I definitely lost some iRating probably. Maybe gain a bit of safety rating, fingers crossed. Wow, okay, wait, before we go into that, what the f? Look at this strength of field difference. It's literally 700 iRating difference. Crazy. I gotta say, of course, there was one crazy guy in the second race that pulled up the average, but still. Oh, wow, okay. I'm actually quite happy with this because we didn't lose safety rating somehow. How many instant points did we get? 7. So I expected to lose something, but okay, that's not that bad. iRating, yeah, okay, it could be worse, you know. If this is one of my worst races in a while and I get a P9, I'm fine with that, so that's good. Let's look at race 2. Oh, let's go, guys. That's lovely. We got the 0.1 safety rating score, and we're now so close to that 4 safety rating to promote to C class. Finally, that we can get out of this league and we can go to endurance racing, and I'm so hyped for that. And we gained some iRating. We ended behind our friend, the Red Bull Maniac. I was so scared for him. That's crazy. Pretty well raced. It was really scary. A lot of crazy things happened, but that's lovely, guys. And if you made it to the end of this video, and I hope you enjoyed all this chaos. My driving wasn't too good this video, so I'll try to improve next time. I want to go to endurance racing. I would love that, so I hope for you guys that I can make it ASAP. But if you made it to the end, thank you so much for watching, because I see all you guys' comments, all your likes, and I just really appreciate the major support that motivates me to keep on uploading. I'm going to keep up the weekly YouTube video streak, I promise you guys. So I'll see you next week in the 14th video in a row, and for now, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Ciao.